मैं क्या बता रहा था, मैं भूल ही गया कम्प्लीटली। आज का व्लॉग मैं कैसे एडिट करूँगा मेरे को भी पता नहीं, क्योंकि मैं शुरू कुछ टॉपिक से कर रहा हूँ और फिर इधर उधर करके भटक जा रहा हूँ, एंड देन सडनली आई एम फॉरगेटिंग। Editing would be fun, and the bike is looking glossy enough because I keep on polishing it and maintaining it from time to time in between. And this is, I've shown it on Instagram already, but that's some new stickering. I removed the old sticker and put this one in. Y23, it's my birth date, and it's also half of 46. LOL. This is a new selfie mount which is tethered inside. Let's start the bike up. I'm taking the bike out after almost a week, I guess. I'll have to check the audio, how the mic audio is getting picked up from the helmet mic, because as I showed in the last vlog, the GoPro has a tendency of getting stuck, and because of that, since I had no other solution, or rather all other solutions were already tried, so I did reset the camera, and now it has gone back to the factory default settings. Now I have increased the GoPro volume, the audio volume, to the max, because what happens is, what kept on happening rather is, so in the last trip I was unable to pick up the GoPro on-off volume, and Pratik was able to hear it from the Bluetooth. So later I discovered that the volume was set to low, so now it's on to high. I can hear it clear. And this is one interesting thing. See the trees here? I don't know what are these. If you guys know, let me know in the comments, because it looks pretty unique and new to me. Oh man, on the motorcycle it feels like a medicine. This is the vaccine for us motorcyclists. Sometimes I feel that I should also get a Zomato t-shirt, and I will have full access. Just kidding, guys. These guys, I have a lot of respect for them. Reason being, these guys are feeding so many people, risking their own lives. The other day I was just standing in my balcony, and it was around 11 o'clock, and that's when I saw a Zomato guy entering the premises of my society. My point is, people whosoever are ordering food also need to think that the person who would be delivering, they also have a family. If it's a need, like emergency, you guys are ordering at around 11 o'clock, that's a different story. But in most of the cases it's not an emergency, it's just kuch khane ka man kiya masti mazak ke liye, they are just getting food ordered and delivered. So imagine that guy, he had I don't know where he lives and all that, whether his house is nearby or not, those things are not relevant in this case. What I'm trying to say is, when you are ordering something, also be a human. I mean, मेरे को ये सब चीज़ें बहुत affect करती है, तो I keep on sharing with you guys, because बातें करने के लिए बस बहुत ही कम लोग बचे हैं, उनमें से आप लोग हो, my YouTube family. You guys should have rear view mirrors, man. Just also wanted to share some experiences, what happened exactly after the first dose of Covishield. Because लास्ट व्लॉग में मैंने बताया था कि मेरे को कुछ ऐसा असर नहीं हुआ था, उस दिन नहीं हुआ था, शायद मैंने लिख भी दिया था उस व्लॉग में कि अगले दिन हुआ था. So yeah, I did mention that on the following day, the repercussions, not the repercussions, the after effects, not the software, the after effects of the first dose of vaccination. Okay, so what happened is, after the first dose of Covishield, the first night, like the day we took it, that night I'm talking about, so that night my nephews had severe body pain and fever. All these things happened as an after effect, and this was all predicted well enough by the doctors. We were told that if something like this happens, just get a paracetamol or PCM WhatsApp language. They had paracetamol. The pain was so much that my nephews had to take 2 doses of paracetamol in one night, and I was just joking around that देख मेरे को कुछ नहीं हुआ, I didn't have anything, I have no pain, I have become Superman and all that. But बेटा अगले दिन पता चला मेरे को. So the next day, the following day, I had fever, I had body pain, I was feeling weak, and overall restlessness was there, and all these more or less are bound to happen. किसमें से इतना आवाज़ आ रहा है गंदा वाला? ये ऑटो वाले से आ रहा होगा. ऑटो वालों को भी क्या है, एग्जॉस्ट मॉडिफिकेट करना है इसको भी. छी, चैसी तो इसका टूटा हुआ है, एग्जॉस्ट मॉडिफाई करा के रखा है. ये देखो, हेलमेट नहीं है, मास्क नहीं है. यही लोग होता है स्प्रेड करने वाले. पता नहीं आज के ब्लॉग में मैं क्या क्या टॉपिक लेके बैठ जाऊंगा बात करने. कुछ डेफिनेट है नहीं, ऐसे ही घर में बैठ बैठ के मैं बोर टू द कोर हो गया. And regarding the Suzuki thing, I believe the doubt is now clear with you guys. There is no recall happening at the moment, so that's all scam 2021. और क्या खबर है आप लोगों का? Oh, beautiful, it's looking so nice. Feels to me that I am riding after don't know how long. like ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत टाइम बाद बाइक चला रहा हूँ, बहुत टाइम बाद इस दुनिया में घूम रहा हूँ. When I posted about the GoPro getting stuck and all that, some of you suggested me of the DJI Osmo Action. Yep, that is definitely on my mind, but then again, the audio adapter that the Osmo needs, it is like showing up on Amazon India, but it is not showing for order. And that is mainly because, I mean, it's not like Amazon's fault or anything like that. The government has restrictions these days of not delivering the non-essential things. So anything you pick up on Amazon, almost everything will actually show up as non-deliverable these days. But at the same time, if you check Flipkart is like everything is available with us. Just कुछ भी order कर तो हम तो deliver कर देंगे. सारे wrong side वाले हो क्या? और ट्रिप्स का तो पता ही नहीं क्या होगा इस साल, तो भूल ही जाओ. 2020 was the trailer, 2021 seems to be an extended trailer, and don't know उसके आगे क्या है. अच्छा जी, अभी देखो, अभी जाते हैं. Responsible. पता नहीं आज का व्लॉग आप लोगों को कैसा लगेगा, बट ये वाज दिस वाज मोर लाइक अ medicinal vlog for me. What is a medicinal vlog? That's a new term that I just coined. पता नहीं आज के व्लॉग में मैं क्या क्या बक रहा हूँ. This was more of a get out of the house and relieve yourself kind of a vlog. आप लोगों के पास अगर कोई टॉपिक है व्लॉग बनाने का तो मेरे को बता देना कमेंट्स, because I honestly don't have, and I am not into lifestyle vlogging. मेरे को ये नहीं दिखाना होता है कि मैं सुबह उठ के क्या कर रहा हूँ और क्या नहीं कर रहा हूँ, और मैं तो सब मामा पापा अर्थ करता भी नहीं हूँ और करूँगा भी नहीं. अबे जाना जल्दी. मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही एग्रेसिव मूड में हूँ, पता नहीं ये भी लॉकडाउन का ही असर होगा। माई वे ऑफ वेंटिंग आउट डिप्रेशन। नमस्कार जी। अगर आज का वीडियो बोरिंग लगे तो सॉरी। गर्मी है भाई। चलो गाइज, डोंट नो कब मिलूँगा, कौन से व्लॉग में मिलूँगा, कैसे मिलूँगा। चलो स्टे सेफ गाइज।